In this video, we are going to make a magazine pouch by recycling unused items or trash. These are the required components. First, we wash the plastic bottle very well and then we cut it in a suitable size. Next, we make some grooves on the walls of the bottle so glue sticks very well. Then we put some glue and insert the bottle inside the cloth bag. Use your fingers to ensure that the bag is very tight on the bottle and leave it over the night to dry. Now open some holes in the pouch using a hot nail and support these holes using grommets. We can make the belt hook using an old bag belt and some grommets. To support the magazine inside the pouch, a rubber string is used. The rubber string is covered with a cloth cover salvaged from the paper bag for aesthetic reasons. A part of the cloth cover is used to tighten the belt hook on the pouch.